Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer your cryptos from Ethereum to Matic mainnet. So let's start. In order to transfer our crypto, we will use wallet version 2 of Matic network. Version 2 is still in beta phase, so have that in mind. And of course you will find a link in the description of this video, so all you have to do is click on it. So once you get here, all you need to do is log in with your MetaMask account. In order to do that, click over here, and then once MetaMask window pops up, just sign. And right now we are already logged into our wallet version 2. So once you do this, you need to make sure that right now you are logged into Ethereum network. In order to do that, you click up here on the MetaMask icon and then make sure that over here it says Ethereum and not Matic mainnet. If you don't have Matic mainnet on the list yet, don't worry, I'll show you how to add it in the later part. So make sure you choose Ethereum here. And once you do this, you need to click on this button that says Move Funds to Matic mainnet. And once you do this, you'll see a window like this. And then over here, down here, the very important thing is that the transfer mode should say POS bridge. If it doesn't say POS bridge, make sure to click on this button Switch bridge. This should change it to POS. If you already see it as POS bridge, that's perfect. And then over here you can see from which network are we sending the tokens to which network. So right now from Ethereum to Matic, if we click on this button over here, it will switch from Matic to Ethereum. So you can send using this bridge both ways. So right now we need to choose which token we want to send. So just click over here, and then from the list you can find the token that you want to send. I'm just going to type in USD and I'm going to choose USDT. Once you choose the token, you can type in over here how many tokens you want to send, so you can just click max if you want to transfer all of the tokens to Matic network. And one more time, make sure that we are on POS bridge. If everything is okay, click transfer. Once you do this, over here you have some important information, for example that moving funds from Ethereum to Matic will take around 7 to 8 minutes. So let's click continue. And then over here we've got information that the deposit, the transfer process from Ethereum to Matic consists of 2 transactions, and the total fee for these transactions will be around $11. Of course, this is gas fee on Ethereum mainnet. As you know, the gas fee is quite high at the moment. So let's click continue. And here we've got a confirmation, so which cryptocurrency are we sending, what is the amount of it, from which network to which network, what is the transfer mode, and then we can hit continue. And right now we just finished the first step of our transfer. Now when we click continue, it will start the second step. So we need to confirm this transaction in MetaMask. As you can see right now it's only $9, so the estimated fee is lower because the gas price probably went down in the meanwhile. So let's click confirm. And right now our transaction is in progress. The first transaction should last only around few seconds to few minutes. As you can see, it's already confirmed over here. So the second step is confirmed. And now our funds, our cryptos are being sent to Matic mainnet, and this may take 7 to 8 minutes. So while we are waiting for the cryptos to arrive to our Matic mainnet, we will add Matic mainnet to our MetaMask account. In order to do that, click on the MetaMask icon in the right top corner, hit on the 3 dots and choose Expand View. Once you do this, click over here on the Ethereum mainnet, and then if you don't have Matic on the list, you need to scroll down to the bottom and click on Custom RPC. Once you click on Custom RPC, you will have to fill all those fields over here. Let me show you how to fill them. As you can see, network name should be Matic mainnet, new RPC is RPC mainnet maticvigil.com, chain ID 137, currency symbol Matic, and block explorer is explorer.matic.network. Once you fill everything over here, you need to click save, and Matic mainnet will be added to your MetaMask. So if you click up here, you can switch between Ethereum and Matic mainnet with basically 2 clicks of a button. So once we already added Matic mainnet, let's swap to Matic mainnet and go back to Matic bridge. as you can see, my transfer was just completed, so our cryptos should already be on our Matic mainnet wallet. So let's open MetaMask. Let's make sure that you are on Matic mainnet and then scroll down to see if you have your funds on the list. As you can see, I already have 460 USDT, and have in mind that MetaMask is not downloading the symbols of cryptocurrencies correctly. So if the symbols next to the cryptocurrencies don't match, don't worry, it's just a glitch in MetaMask. It will be fixed in the later versions when Matic becomes more and more popular. And that would be it for today. Please let me know in the comments if you managed to transfer your crypto from Ethereum to Matic or the other way around, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.